Hayibo, nakho-ke umkhulu Bey is in town uthembisa abantwana abancane abana 18 years ukuthi ngikuthatha ngikubeke laphaya ngikuhambise oDubai Ntontoni. He started by saying, I'm going to pay your fees. Jiki Bindu Ja. No, actually, I want you to be my PA. Jiki Bindu Ja. Actually, you are 18. You can take care of yourself. It means that you can also go to Dubai. Thengisela abantwana dreams. Now, my biggest question is, lo mntana lo Gamata, is this not the father? Because remember, uthe 18 years ago, lo baba lo bekangihlukumeza. So wouldn't this child be kusazoba mixed up, ladies and gentlemen? As you can already see, we're going to be reviewing Smoke and Mirrors. Sanibonani abisheni molweni minjani hifukile hingongwina. So namuhla kana ngokwa hina hikuma kurisula sithamiseka ngikahle, looking at the fact that kama mfundisi noba mfundisi izinto asihlaliseki. Uba Mfundisi is just quite upset ukuthi, why did you not tell me about all this time, and you let me ngiphile njengesilima kodwa ngindoda yakho kumele untshele iqiniso. And you should also understand ukuthi telling me the truth means you and I, we are one. He was then pissed to realize ukuthi kanti umfowabo also knew about this. Nakhona bekhona imadlana bebayithola kuMatha. That just made matters worse. Now it's a roller coaster of emotions. Wonke umuntu nje uyaphansi phezulu, uMatha uthi uyafika uzama ukukhuluma lapha, but she just makes matters worse. Because ingane yakhe ayifuni nokumbona, ayifuna la endlule khona, futhi nakhona ize idinwa indaba yokuthi she then realized ukuthi ubaba wakhe, the one that just passed on, begazi vele ukuthi she's not the child. In fact, the mother that she thought was the mother is actually barren, does not have kids. Now nje kuvele kube mavithi yonke indawo. On the other hand, uMamiki and the sister, khona le roller coaster yama, he is my ex, he is my what, uMagolide on the other side athi chini andizobakhulisa mina abantwana bawu6 bese lona xa ukuthi ubaba uMagolide uzoba ubaba wengane zakhe. Guys, kuphithene kubusy, yo khona ozolahla.